Uh, so, with the help of a mobile phone, they used to call to each and every individual to promote their products. In some case, they may go door to door delivery to sell the products, and in other case, they may find some celebrities to promote their different products. Now, AI is using to promote their products. How means nowadays most of the sales are happening with the help of e-commerce websites. In the e-commerce website, if you searching for a X product, automatically with the help of an AI, it will suggest relevant products to the X with cost and with reviews. This is how AI will help us in the marketing. One more example, if you are searching for a shirt of any brand, Arrow brand, it will identify us to, it will suggest or it will identify us to find some other product relevant to it with a cost and with a material and etc. etc. That's how AI plays a role in the marketing. And in the second one, AI in the banking. If you see, more frauds are happening in the banking sector. So how we can able to solve this fraudulent means, we will see the patterns. We will see the past patterns of the fraud where happening and how happening etc etc. Based upon that, we can able to reduce the frauds. And one more thing is, based upon the customer behavior, we can able to analyze the behavior of the customer. How means the way how he respond to the loan people. If a X person has taken the loan means how regularly he is paying the, for example, CIBIL score, that's as well one kind of AI. The way how you respond to the banking sector with EMIs etc etc. So with that we can able to know how correct he is while repaying the loans. So based upon that, we can able to suggest a new loan or etc etc. And in finance, in stock exchange, the AI can able to predict the Sensex, how it is. And in agriculture, in some places, in the place of a man, we can able to replace the mission. We may call that as a robot as well, might be. That particular mission cannot perform all the operations whatever the human being is performing, but we program in such a way that how it is useful us. For example, nowadays in villages, we used to put some watchman security kind of thing for the agriculture purpose, to notice who is coming or any animals are entering into the fields etc etc. With the help of AI mechanism, we can able to solve that kind of problems. Healthcare, early detection of the diseases, and based upon the current diet, it will suggest us a new diet. And remote diagnosis. Remote diagnosis can be done with the help of AI technology. In gaming, where gaming can be designed in such a way that where that will helpful in a real time society. In space exploration, autonomous vehicles, chatbots, artificial creativities. Whereas in coming to autonomous vehicles, without intervention of the humans, automatically the vehicle will move from one place to other place. That is autonomous vehicle. So whereas coming to the Indian scenario, it's very very difficult. I am thinking why means we can't predict when the animals will come in between the roads. but we should somehow the machine may stop by recognizing the obstacles. I mean, with the help of the some sensors, it detects that some object is coming near to the car and it may stop. But reaching from source to destination is takes very long hours in autonomous vehicles. Chatbots. Even now we have virtual assistants. Automatically, with the help of if any customer asks the frequently asked questions and means automatically the chatbot will reply with the help of the knowledge what we train them. Static solutions. Dynamic cannot be done. Static solutions can be done with the help of the chatbots, and we can create different structural health structures, etc., with the help of an artificial intelligence. So this is the top 10 things what happening uh, with the help of an AI in the real world. So anything else if you want to ask regarding this, you can ask me now. Any doubts? Particularly if you want to ask any question.
No, sir. Hello.
Yes, I am